Alright guys, got a 2014 Nissan Sentra. Has a check engine light on. And I got my scan tool hooked up over here. And let's see what kind of code we get. So the check engine light right there was on. Right now the car is off. That's why the other lights are on. But that light came on. And we're gonna scan this car. Let's give it a little moment for the scan tool to fire up. But this is a 2014 model. Meanwhile it's doing that, I'll pop the hood open. All right, so 2014 Nissan Sentra. All right, let's get into it. Let's scan the engine module for any codes. All right, and anytime you have a check engine light, guys, always scan the car, and then that will give you a procedure or a code or whatever the issue is. So we're gonna not clear code, but we're gonna read codes right there. It says read code clear, not clear, but you see it's highlighted on the top, the white, that one right there. So we're gonna get in there. All right, so we have a code P0101. That's the code. All right, it's gonna be very hard to see. P0101 mass airflow sensor circuit 1. Circuit bank 1. There's only one bank. This is a 4-cylinder car. So the code P0101 mass airflow MAF, okay, MAF, mass airflow sensor, right? No problem. All right guys, before I do any repairs to this car, all right, I could do a lot of diagnostic, but this is a common problem with these cars. So let me hook this up. Let's take off this little guy here. All right, so we have that in place, guys. So mass airflow sensor on this car is located right here, guys. What you can do is either replace this little guy. It has a number 8 and a number 8 on it, or you could take it off. All right, take off that sensor and clean it. All right, so today what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna clean that sensor and then I'm gonna reset the light. All right, that's what I'm gonna do here today. So quick diagnostic and quick repair there. Clean your MAF sensor, even if it's not dirty, guys, you don't have a coat on, clean it. It will give you a good performance. All right, over time those little the fins, it's like a little wire in there. If it gets a little dirty, all it does is air goes through it and it creates a voltage signal. All right, depending on how much air is traveling through it. All right, that's all it's doing. The air travels through it and it creates a signal for the computer to know how much air fuel ratio needs to be controlled according. So that sensor controls a lot of gas on this car. It gives a signal how much air is going in, how much gas should be according to that amount of the air. All right, so let me get some tools and we're gonna remove that guy. All right guys, I'm gonna set up my camera right here. All right, got my lighting really good. All right, so pretty much I'm gonna take my number 8 here. I'm gonna move this harness a little bit to the side. You can even disconnect it, guys. It's right there, it's looking right at you. Put a long extension, you can just push this up. So let's just disconnect this little guy. Let's push the wire to the side. And if you want to use extension, use extension, guys. It's not number 8, made a mistake there. It even has a fill-up head screw on it, so I'm gonna just go get a fill-up head screw driver. That's what I'm gonna do there. I think I have one over here somewhere laying around. Let me go find it and I'll be right back. Oh yeah, I got one right here, guys, not too far away. So just take your hand here, push this back, and you're gonna have access right there. All right, take one of the screws out. All right, there's a little screw. Let me just put it right here so we don't lose it. Let me get the other one. Very simple, guys. All right, this thing, it has a direction, so the same direction you take this off, make sure you put it back in the same direction. Don't go the wrong way. All right, guys. All right, pretty much I'm gonna lift this guy up. It comes right up straight, just like so. All right, guys. So I took it off this way. I'm not gonna put it back that way. It might not even go that way, but I'm gonna keep it the same way. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just blow this. I have a spray for this, and I'm gonna just blow the spray on it. It will clean the contact here, the sensor here, blow it inside. So pretty much it's gonna be cleaned out. So let me go get the spray. Alright guys, got my spray here. So this is what we got, guys. So use this mass airflow sensor cleaner right there. We have to let me get, my lighting is destroying everything. So we're gonna clean this with this. All right, that's what you need. That's all you need. All right, so this is very simple, guys. Just I shouldn't be doing it on the car, but right now my camera is set here. Should be no problem. It's very simple, guys. It had dirt. I saw a little bit of dust here. All right, so just spray it in. All right, nothing else. You're not using no rag, no nothing. All right, guys, nothing else. All right, and that's it. You're done. It's very simple, guys. I will wipe this off, no problem. And you want to put it back the same way, guys, the same way you got it off. If you have this car, the connector had a pin here to push in, so, and it's facing this way. All right, so you simply take this little guy, you put it back in. Your car might start up very funny after this. All right, it might not start up normal, and that's all right. So it's probably gonna take 1 or 2 cranks. And after this, guys, just reset the light. All right. And I want to say one more thing, guys. If you're doing this and the light comes back after you reset it a day or 2, then definitely change the sensor. All right. And even if you don't have a problem, this sensor makes a lot of difference. So you should clean it, even if you have not cleaned it or you do not have a code. But this is a common problem with the Nissan, code P0101. All right, and don't forget to connect that back in there. All right, guys. And you should hear a click, and that's it. After that, reset the light. Bada bing, bada boom. You're all done, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share and like all of my videos, and if you have any questions, please send me a message. All right, if you need any other repair, doesn't have to be this one particular one, just send me a message. All right, so I will be resetting the light with my scan tool, then let the car run for a little bit, and if the customer does have a complaint and he has to come back, we will just replace